I have 5 digital wallets for holding cryptocurrency. Why? Because each one offers its own use case, whether it's to connect to a specific NFT marketplace, to earn an increased annual return on proof-of-stake coins, or another type of utility. I use MetaMask for the Ethereum blockchain to make use of coins like OVR and GDAO. I use Phantom to buy Solana NFTs on solanart.io. I use Temple Wallet for Tezos, especially to support emerging artists. Then I have a wallet from Coinbase to pair with their exchange. If you've watched my previous videos, you'd know that I'm really into the culture of NFTs on Twitter. So when I saw the Pudgy Penguin in the bottom right corner of Zengo's Twitter banner, I gave my computer that Luke Skywalker nod of acceptance. I'm not going to lie, I really thought that guy was Luke Skywalker when I wrote the script. Plus, they've had a bunch of updates with Shiba Inu coin and the SHIB army, so I thought, why not try it out? What I like about Zengo really comes down to 2 things: being active with the crypto community and cybersecurity. You can see why when you create a wallet with Zengo, so let's check it out. I have an iPhone, which is why I'll be talking about the iCloud and how iOS verifies your face. Though the Zengo app is available both on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store, which I've linked in the description below. The account creation is very quick. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to enter your email after a brief explanation of the services. A magic link will be sent to your email, which you'll need to click to verify. You'll also be prompted to enter a promo code, where you can type in ZEN905PY. This code will give you $10 once you've purchased $200 of Bitcoin, which is a nice incentive to check out the wallet if you're looking to purchase Bitcoin. Then you'll use iPhone's facial recognition features to verify your identity. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Most apps use facial recognition to enter your username and password. This app actually uses the facial recognition software itself to log in. This is really cool because it essentially has to be you who logs into the device, meaning you don't have to worry about hackers stealing your cookies or a malicious guest stealing the post-it with the password underneath your desk. This software is so advanced that even identical twins won't be able to log into each other's wallets. Now, that being said, I ran into a few issues with the iCloud, which is probably necessary to go over if you're an iPhone user. My iCloud has never not been full. I prefer Google Drive for my online file storage, which is why I never really gave it a second thought when I saw that the photos which I had already backed up on Google Drive were taking up 96% of my iCloud storage. So, before you verify your face with Zengo, go to the settings on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, then iCloud, and be sure that you have some free space there. You'll also need to have iCloud Drive enabled from the same screen. The Zengo app will prompt you to enable your iCloud permissions as you create your wallet, so be sure to have those features connected as well. I should mention as well that I contacted customer support to help me find out the root of my problems with iCloud, and they actively worked with me to set up my account correctly. Now that you're all set up, you can buy crypto under the Actions menu, though only Bitcoin will give you the $10 from the referral code you entered earlier. So that's really all there is to the account creation. Now you'll be able to send, receive, buy, sell, earn, and trade crypto. One other perk to enjoy is the Zen Crypto Show, which is a pretty cool podcast I'd recommend to people who want to learn about crypto, but don't feel like reading or watching my YouTube videos. You can also check out the Zengo blog, which not only showcases their plans and updates, but includes other informative articles as well. There are a few updates coming soon that I'm very excited about, but I'll dig into that with you another time. That's all for now. I'll be doing a bunch of videos on my own NFT project, 88 Apes, soon, so I hope you'll come join me next time in Kyle and Out.